Says it's 90. It feels like maybe 85. Well, unless you stand in the sun, then it feels a little hotter. So, yeah, we're back. A lot cooler inside there. And got a bunch of electric fans going in each room. Anyway, this is, hopefully we go fishing in a few days. See what happens. Still a lot of people up here. We had to go through Arnold, well, detoured around Arnold because of the 4th of July parade. We missed it by like half an hour. If we'd have got here or in Arnold at 9 o'clock, we'd have been able to drive right through, but we hit it at 9:30 when they closed down the main drag, Highway 4 through Arnold. So our cats hated it. Both of them were meowing. Couldn't wait to get out of their cage, but as soon as they did, they're fine now. Yeet.